is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media back with another video. So I know some of you guys RXX fans have not seen the car for a while, so fear not, I still have the RSX over here. She's my daily driver. The guys over from Boslla are kind enough to send me some LED bulbs for the RSX, so I'm pretty excited. It's been kind of wet and rainy outside and a little cold, so I haven't really been doing installs since the RSX sits outside of the garage. But let's get to unboxing this and see what's in here. So let's get to unboxing this and see what's in here. So nice box. So again, this is the Boslla bulb. It's pretty cool. So it says it's the world's first full color LED. So let me show you guys what's in the box. So if you guys have been watching my videos for a while, you already know that I do have an LED setup on the RSX. It came stock with the halogens, but as soon as I got the car, I switched out everything to LEDs just because it's brighter, it looks better. But Boslla reached out to me and said that they have this 4-color LED, so that really intrigued me, so I wanted to try it out. So apparently on the side it says the world's first full color LED. So what it means is it could be 6500,000K white, 4300K warm yellow, or warning flash. So a few different colors. Let's open the box. This is my first time seeing what's in here as well. So little card says happy on it. So if you guys like the products, you could also look it up on their website or social media. But again, this is my first time trying out products, so pretty excited to see what's in here. So we have 2 bulbs, one for each side, and already just holding in my hands, this is a quality sturdy product. What I have on the car, the LEDs, they are just cheap, something I got off eBay for real cheap. This one has a ballast separately, connects to this. I believe this connects here, and then these two connect to the OEM setup. So yeah, should be pretty easy install. Like I said, this looks like quality stuff. On one side it's yellow, on the other side it's silver. And one thing I'm really curious to find out is how do you switch to different color modes, so that's pretty cool. Alright, so the first step will be to connect these 2 parts together, the ballast as well as the bulb itself. So we have a positive and a negative terminal. You just connect them together and you twist, so pretty easy. Like I said, the other LED setup I have is a cheaper setup. It does not have this ballast setup, so I'm pretty excited to see how different this does. And then these 2 guys right here, that just goes to the OEM setup, so I have to show you guys in a bit. But whatever's in the box is these 2 different components. One side is for the passenger, one side is for the driver's side. So yeah, we already connected the ballast to the bulb itself, and right now let's go ahead and hook it up to the car. Alright, so very first step is popping the hood. So now I already have the hood propped open. What you're going to be doing is taking off the light bulbs inside the car from the headlights. So again, this is a 2003 Acura RSX, and for the headlights, these are the low beams and these are the high beams, so I'll be replacing these low beam lights. This is the passenger side. So to do it, all you have to do is pop out this rubber seal. There's going to be a rubber gasket holding it in for the RSX. You can use like a pliers just to pull this part, rip it off, and then once that is done, over here you can see this connector, and you can see these 2 wires here, a red and a black, positive and negative. These are the connections for the light bulbs. So go ahead and unplug it. So right now you can see I already unplugged both. Put the wire aside because you'll be needing it. Always easy to remove this rubber gasket too because it's in the way. And then now that I have both wires exposed and disconnected from that, you can go ahead and put your hand in and remove the bulb. And just remember, lefty loosey. So you're gonna be turning it left. There might be like a metal bracket holding it in place. There you go. Just come out just like that. And let me show you guys a quick little comparison. So like I said, it comes stock with halogen setup. I already do have an LED setup, but this is a really simple, cheap DIY setup that I did a little while back. And let's compare this cheap LED bulb to the quality ones that I just got. Alright, so pretty similar, like I said, LED to LED, so equal comparison, but this is a cheap setup that I got on eBay. By cheap, that what it means is the output is not as good, the quality is not as good compared to this. You can see the quality is so much better. It also has a separate ballast over here, again from Boslla, so big thank you to them for sending it out. Everything from the bulb itself to the connectors, much more sturdy. These ones are pretty flimsy. So let's go ahead and connect it, switch it on, make sure it works on one side first before we get to doing the other side. Alright, I'm gonna switch it on just to make sure that it works before I put in the bulb. So yes, works. So much brighter. So let me go ahead and put it in right now and show you guys how it looks. Alright, so this side is already done. You can see so much brighter. You can see the light bulb in there. Shines so much brighter. I'm sure especially at night. Hopefully I'll be able to switch it on and get a driving clip to show you guys the difference. This side hasn't been done yet. I'm going to go ahead and switch out this side as well. Alright, so I just did the passenger side, and off camera I also did the driver's side. So driver's side, same steps. You do have to remove that little, there'll be like a little metal bracket holding it in place. Take off the metal bracket, there'll be that little black rubber cover. On this side, on driver's side, you do have to take off the windshield wiper fluid that is in the way. So just a 10mm bolt right here, this comes off. So same thing, like I said, it comes with the ballast. So you have your two connectors, positive, negative, as well as that ballast. Just make sure you put it at a good spot. So let me go ahead and close the hood, switch it on, and show you guys how it looks. Alright, so here it looks with both LEDs in. They'll look so much brighter. So the next test would be to drive around at night and see how it looks. We'll see the output, how far it shines, as well as actual driving on the street at night. So yeah, I'll show you guys a clip again in a couple hours when it's all dark. Alright, so a couple hours has passed. You can see it's totally pitch dark right now. And switch on the headlights. LEDs looking really bright. So the ultimate test is actually bringing it out on the street. So if you look over here, there's no street lamps over here for the probably next mile or so I'll be able to put my car right here and see how far down it shines. But just from over here, it's looking really bright. Alright, so right now I am in the middle of the road and you can see it's so much brighter. Alright, so this is what it looks like when the lights are switched off, and this is with it switched on. So much brighter. Alright, so if you guys stayed to the really end, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, big thank you to Boslla for sending out those LED bulbs. If you guys need them for your car, they do carry it for different cars, including the RSX. So make sure to check them out on their website, the social media pages. You can find them on their website, Facebook, Instagram, a bunch of social media pages. So again, big thank you to them. If you stay to the end, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when videos are out. Leave a thumbs up, comment, and see you guys in the next video.